Aldridge is honored to be part of this tree ceremony today, and we thank Powering Chicago, NECA, Local 134, and the Chicago Police Memorial Foundation for involving us in this project.
Our mission is to never forget the officers that were killed in the line of duty. Every big city I went to, I noticed they had a public memorial to police officers killed in line of duty. Chicago didn't. I came back, I talked to the Gold Star families. In 2.5 years, we raised $3 million. You see what we have here. We have the finest memorial in the country now.
Feels really fulfilling being part of something that's above you, because a lot of people take for granted these men and women paid the ultimate sacrifice. It's kind of nice to show that they're in your hearts and in your minds, and it's not always easy.
Aldridge Electric is a family-owned electrical contractor with a rich history in building and maintaining and strengthening America's infrastructure. We have a commitment to large electrical projects and foundation construction in the transportation, mission critical, and power project.
The work that's being done here is important to make sure that those family members know that their loved ones gave their lives for something greater than anyone could ever imagine.
Project started 6 a.m. Monday morning. Started with offloading plywood to protect the grounds as we set up for the Christmas trees. Till throughout Monday into Tuesday, and then Wednesday we finished up in the morning.
In collaboration with the Chicago Police Memorial Foundation, we provided over 3,500 LED lights strung across 3 trees here, showcasing our collaborative efforts with Local 134 and the foundation.
I want to thank Powering Chicago and Aldridge Electric for hanging the lights as they have done for the past years.
As a people-first company, Aldridge is committed to giving back to the community. We believe that providing moments of joy, especially during the tough holiday season, is an essential part of our mission, and we're always available to assist at any time possible.
But we appreciate, that's how we survive, is on donations. Our website is cpdmemorial.org, and there's a give button right on there. And whether they give $1 or $100, it's appreciated. And when they see where it goes, they feel good about spending their money.
To realize that's why we're here today, to pay them tribute, pay their loved ones and their families tribute, and hopefully bring some cheer to the holiday season.
We are happy to assist and give back in any way possible to those first responders who have served this city during this holiday season.
3, 2, 1. Look at that, huh?